Atomizers come in a bunch of different configurations and variations. If we broke that all down, well, we would be here all day, and as someone so quaintly put it, ain't nobody got time for that. So let's just get to the basics so you can get a grasp on what an atomizer is. Cool? Cool. Let's go. Let's get started. An atomizer consists of 5 parts: the drip tip, the top cap, the glass housing, and the base, which make up the tank. And of course, the coil. The coil is housed within a tank, and the tank then connects to a power source, your mod, to heat up the liquid or atomize it as it turns to vapor. That way, you get to be an imaginary dragon. Get it? Get it? All right, moving on. Now, when it comes to the tank, there are typically 4 parts. The top fill cap, which you unscrew or slide to fill the tank and has the drip tip attached for you to take drags from. Next is the glass housing, which keeps all the liquid in place. Last is the base, which has what is called a 510 pin, meant to screw into the mod so it can draw power from it into the tank. Also, found on the base are the airflow holes. The airflow keeps the coils from overheating and can be adjusted to suit your draw preference. Just don't close them completely. Do you want burnt coils? Because that's how you get burnt coils. Speaking of, let's talk coils. Coils consist of a cotton to wick up the liquid, a heating element to atomize the liquid, and a housing to hold it all into place. Usually, these heating elements come in 2 categories: wire and mesh, although there are others out there. The housing has holes that expose the cotton for it to wick, which then gets hit with that warm goodness from the heating element, and bada bing, bada boom, Cloud City, Cloud City, brothers and sisters. Now, as I have stated, these are the basics of the basics, but there are so many different types of atomizers out there for you to learn about and try that you might be surprised how deep the rabbit hole goes, Neo. Are matrix jokes dated? All right, I'll see myself out.
Well, you made it through the video. You get all the cookies. Well, if you enjoyed it, click over here to subscribe. Or, you can go over here and watch some more videos, which would be better if you did both. Because please, just do it. Do it now. Quickly, before the fog rolls in, just click the videos.